This is the music video that I am looking forward to since they are the magne right now of SM Entertainment. Wait, let me go back. Go back. Oh. And for me, the intro feels like I am listening to Simsalabim. If you know Simsalabim by Red Velvet, it feels like the intro is like that. And being the usual SM groups, these have some. I think the aesthetic of this is so SM. Like as you watch this, the members, and also if I would go back to this, wait, let me just go back again. See, that sounds like Simsalabim for me. Well, I think just or it's just my ear. I don't know. Let's see. And these members, wow, and she looks like a doll. Oh. Actually, I don't remember their names since I am just getting to know them, but I still pick up some members, which is Jiwoo. That was June, I think. And as I see their pictures, they are all visuals. They are a bunch of, this group is a bunch of visual members. Like I'm telling you, no member is a visual whole. They are all visuals in their own way. They are so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go. Ooh, wait, that part. I really like their voices here. Oh my god. Wow. That was so SM style. Oh, I see. Anyway, is this their leader? Am I right? Since as I search through K-pop profiles, Jiwoo is the leader. Am I right? Just correct me. But I really love the way she looks right here. She literally looks like an AI for me. You know, the first time that I saw her, I was like, wow. And her voice too, wow. Oh, that was June. Oh my god, she was so cute. And oh, the visuals, I like it. They are giving a full visual girl group. That was not I mean well this is SM. They are giving some, you know, AI like visuals, but wow, they are so, anyway, they are so talented. And as I know, Jiwoo is the visual. I mean, they can all pass as a visuals, and not only for a specific member, but they can pass as visual group. And anyway, I like this part. Like every time that I watch their performances and music shows, that is the most satisfying part for me. That is wow. I was like really gravitated towards that choreography. It was wow. Okay, anyway, let's go. Wow. You know what? When it comes to SM groups, it's either like they are having a specific concept. In this group, I am really searching for what the concept will be. Since, you know, when it comes to ESPA, they have this AI concept, Kwangya concept. I mean, they are also in Kwangya since they are in SM. But are they gonna be some weird concept too? I don't know. Well, let's see. But, you know, they are this significant thing when it comes to SM groups. Like when in Black Mamba, there is this train to Kwangya. This time they use school bus. I don't know if this is the first group that uses school bus for their music video, but I think that would be that school bus would be a significant part of their lore. Ooh. Anyway, I like this part too. Apart from the aesthetic concept, the first part of the music video, I really like this part since it is giving some futuristic concept. You know, It was wow. I mean, if I look into their visuals, it reminds me of like an AI one, but it feels like youthful visuals like that. Ooh. If I would describe Jiwoo, I can remember. There is a resemblance between I think Navis or Navis. If you know in the Espa Next Level, she literally looks like Navis for me. It was the moment that I see her. I was like, wow. And I am just wondering where did I see this face? Then I remember she literally looks like Davis for me. Well, Davis come into life. Wow. And also when I watch her during the music show promotions, I was really gravitated when I saw her performing. When I saw her taking the center stage, I was like, wow. You will really gravitate when Jiwoo is in the center. Oh, see? Like literally, they put her in center for a reason. Wow, that was really a great decision. That was the most favorite. That was my most favorite part. Oh, cute. Anyway, this part, I really love Yeon. Am I right, Yeon? The Yeon voice, oh my gosh. It was so cute for me and so bright to hear her voice. Wow. Ooh. I mean, the combination of two main dancers, wow. This part too, when I am watching their performance in music shows, that was so satisfying to watch. Wow. Wait, that part, I think that was Carmen's voice. Wow. You know, when it comes to SM songs, there is this highlight part when it comes to main vocalists, and main vocalists really carry the songs. They are the backbone of the songs, and I was like, wow. So, this is so SM style. And also this part, oh my god, this was so satisfying. Well, I think this part really reminds me of Kwangya. I don't know why, but there is a train and then, you know, the MB set itself is so Kwangya. Wow. Anyway, this song feels like I am listening to some sort of a fresh air, a breath of a fresh air, just like that. It was like the moment that I listened to it, I was like, okay, let me just listen to it. And the moment that I saw their performances last week, I was like, wow, this song is so beautiful. Like you just need to keep on listening to it because there is a charm in this song. It was very very beautiful. Wow, that was so beautiful music video to end with this visuals. Oh my god. I really love the chase. You love the chase, yeah.